Hello, my name is Edgar. Sometimes you will need to book out a member of staff for something other than a client's appointment, such as a stock take. With Core by Premier Software, you can set up these internal appointments to help manage your staff's time in the diary. Therefore, today I will show you how to do this using Core. First, open up Core's Manager application if you are a single site business or administrator if you are based across multiple sites. Under the Appointments menu, head to the right and click Internal Appointment Codes. This will bring up a window of all existing codes your system uses. To create a new code to be used internally, click the green plus button. You can now enter the details of your appointment. Starting with the code field, enter a shortened version of what you'd like to call the internal appointment code. For example, if you wish to set up a stock take code and show this in the diary, you may put ST in the code field. In the description field, you can then input the full name. Using the drop-down field below, set the length the code is expected to take, such as 1 hour. One aspect you can change is the colour of the appointment as it shows in the diary. Click the block of colour and select any basic colour from the left, or drag the crosshair on the right and the arrow for a more specific shade that matches your brand. You can click Add to Custom Colours should you wish to save this colour for future use. Once you are happy with the selection, press the OK button to confirm the details. If the internal appointment code is applicable to a member of staff, click the Staff checkbox. You can also select if the code requires a room. Beneath this, select whether the code is worked, such as performing a stock take during working hours, or not worked, such as an unpaid lunch break. You can then set the interval needed between this appointment code and another booked in the diary. If you would like to make this code inactive for now so it cannot be used, click Inactive. Otherwise you can select Show in Rota Preview so that it can be entered into staff rotas. Show in Column Business Closure should be ticked for internal appointments likely to be used for a period of several days or when several booking columns need to be blocked out in one go. Finally, you can select what sites to allocate your new appointment code to. If you are based across multiple sites, click to highlight the applicable site and click the single right arrow to allocate it. You can also press the double right arrow to allocate the code to all available sites. When you are happy with the details, click the green tick. Next, click the Site Details tab and select the site the code has been set up for. This will be where you can assign the code to staff members so that they can be booked in their rotas. Head to the Staff Allocation box and click to highlight the specific staff you would like to use this code for. Press the single right arrow to allocate them to the code. The same applies to any rooms via the Room Allocation tab. Similarly, you can assign facilities to the new internal codes. Click the back arrow once everything has been configured. You will now be ready to book in your new internal appointment. In order to book one of these appointments outside of the rota, log into reception. Under the Scheduling section, click the Appointment Booking icon. In the diary, head to the column of the staff or room as well as the time slot you would like to book the appointment for. On the left, scroll to the bottom of the appointment list and you will find the Internal Appointments section. Click to highlight the internal appointment you would like to book, then click the green tick. Your internal appointment will now appear in the diary. Now you know how to set up internal appointments. If you have yet to experience Core by Premier Software, want to book a free presentation using the link in the description. In the meantime, you can find out more when you visit our website at www.premier-core.com, telephone our sales team on +44 01543 466 580, or email us at sales@premiersoftware.co.uk. Why not subscribe to us on YouTube for weekly videos on how to use Core and click the notification bell to receive updates as soon as they become available. You can also follow us on Twitter at Core by Premier and LinkedIn at Premier Software Solutions for regular content. Take care and thank you for watching.